Welcome all of you. Today we will guide you through some simple steps to download and install Blender on your Windows computer. So first of all we should open our web browser and go to the official Blender site www.blender.org site, and on the home page you can see that you can see the download Blender button and you can click on it. You can see that there are several versions of Blender. So here we are actually going to download Blender 4.5, and the website will automatically detect your operating system. So I am using my Windows operating system, so it will show the Windows version. So now what you have to do is simply start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, you can see you can go to your downloads folder and you can click on the Blender setup file. The installation window will automatically open, and you can click the run button and click on the next to accept the license agreement and choose where you want to have the Blender to be installed in your computer. Now once you have done that, you click on install and wait for the installation process to finish. Once you are done, then you click on the finish button. Now you can see that you can open the Blender from the start menu or desktop shortcut. So you can see the Blender splash screen and the icon of the Blender coming in your screen, and the version also will be automatically shown. And now you have successfully downloaded and installed Blender. Now you can do and create amazing 3D projects. Okay, so that is how we can install Blender, and now we can start our electric vehicle modeling.